Well, I've been waiting for a very long time to find out if there was a second season, and I happened to be in my apartment in my underwear when I found out, and I jumped up, and everything jumped with me, and I thought I should probably start working out before I could get into those suits again. For season.
Yeah, I don't have a good story. I was waiting desperately for Justin to text me. Justin texted me at the exact moment that my agents were calling, and we had been told that it was under embargo, that we weren't allowed to tell. And immediately it dropped on deadline, and my phone exploded. I was so incredibly excited.
My reaction when I heard season 2 was picked up. When I found out season 2 was picked up, what was I doing? It was first thing in the morning. I had just got out of boxing, so I was already excited, energized, and then I was like, "Oh, now I have more money. I can pay for these boxing classes. Great!" So it was really dope, man. We're all excited. We're all pumped. We're ready to get back to it. This is your
We got real close together. Real close. There it is. All right.